Big banks just changed the rules again and your credit score is in danger. Fam, you're not gonna believe what the banks are doing in 2025. Your credit score, yeah, that 3-digit number that decides whether you get a car, a home, or a loan is quietly being manipulated behind the scenes. This isn't clickbait, it's a real move that's already started rolling out, and if you don't protect yourself right now, your credit score could crash without you doing anything wrong. So today, I'm exposing the hidden play the banks are running against regular people like you and me, and how you can fight back before your credit score takes a hit. Stick with me until the end, because I'm also going to show you the 3 steps you must do tonight to bulletproof your credit report. All right, fam, here's what's really going down. In mid-2025, the major banks and credit bureaus quietly updated their internal risk models. They're using AI-driven score adjustments. Let's put it up on the screen behind me so everyone can see it. And guess what? It's punishing people with perfect payment history. Yes, you heard that right. People with perfect payment history. That's right, even if you never missed a payment, your score could drop 20 to 60 points overnight. And the question is why? Because the AI is now measuring something called risk behavior clustering. Basically, it looks at the patterns of people like you, not you individually. So if people in your spending group are suddenly struggling, you get penalized, even if you're killing it financially. Let me say that again. You're being grouped, scored, and judged by what other people are doing with their money. That's insane! And the worst part, it's 100% legal because it's considered a predictive algorithm, not discrimination. So this is the credit system's new scam, and hardly anyone is even talking about it. So let's read the actual article, some snippets of it. AI credit scoring is the infrastructure shift no one can ignore. Credit scoring is no longer a black box of legacy rules. It's becoming a dynamic data-fueled system driven by AI and machine learning models. AI credit scoring is transforming how financial institutions assess risks, approve loans, and serve digital-first customers. Now, it goes on to read, traditional scoring systems are built on outdated assumptions about income, identity, and reliability. AI scoring reimagines this, leveraging real-time behavior, social signals, and deep learning models. For institutions and regulars alike, the stakes are rising. Now, the article unpacks how ML is redefining credit worthiness, while why traditional scoring is failing at generation of digital consumers, and what this shift means for financial CTOs overseeing large-scale infrastructure. From operational gains to regulatory pitfalls, this evolution carries urgent implications for leadership across tech-driven industries. It's already here and people are not paying attention. Now, if you checked your credit score lately and your score suddenly dipped 15 or 20 points, even though you did nothing wrong, this might be why. See, banks are quietly rewarding less activity. They want to see controlled utilization, which basically means they're pushing you to use your credit less often. And the bureaus interpret inactivity as potential instability. So they punish you both ways. You use your credit too much, you're risky. You use your credit too little, you're unpredictable. They've set a lose-lose system and they profit no matter what. Fam, I want to know, have you seen your score randomly drop this year for no reason? Comment yes if it happened to you, or no if your score's been stable. Let's see how many of you actually got hit by this new system already. Now, of course, let's talk about why the banks are doing this. After 2024's economic shakeup, the student loan restart, and of course, record credit card debt, and inflation, banks got scared. They realized Americans were defaulting faster, so they adjusted their scoring to protect themselves and not you. And that's why in 2025, we're seeing stricter lending approvals, more emphasis on income consistency over payment history, AI systems that cross-analyze your spending habits with national debt data. This isn't about helping you build credit anymore, it's about helping them limit risk even if it crushes your credit score. And here's the biggest kicker. Some banks are now testing real-time credit monitoring. That means if your bank balance dips too low, you could trigger a temporary score adjustment. Yep, you heard that right. Your checking account is being watched as part of your credit profile now. So here's exactly what you can do right now, fam. 3 steps to stay ahead of this credit chaos. Step 1, pull your credit reports from all 12 credit reporting agencies, not just the big 3. You already know I use DisputeBeast, link is in the video description because they hit every credit bureau in one shot. Step 2, keep your utilization below 7%, not 30%. Forget what Credit Karma told you, that's old school thinking that doesn't work anymore. The new AI models reward super low usage. Now remember, utilization is the balance that reports, Not how much of your actual credit card that you use, but the balance that reports. Step 3, add positive accounts strategically. You need active reporting trade lines that make you look financially dynamic. Think rent reporting, credit builder loans from credit unions, or business credit cards. I want to give a special shout out to all my beasters out there that are working hard to fix their credit using DisputeBeast, the most advanced AI credit repair software ever created that comes with a 110% money back guarantee. But specifically to Luis. Luis's credit score went up 261 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. And Jency's credit score went up 225 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. But let's not forget James. James's credit score went up 207 points after just one round with DisputeBeast. DisputeBeast's link is going to be in the video description and pinned at the top of the comments for anyone that needs to fix their credit. Now, if you want me to drop a full video breaking down the best 3 accounts to boost your score in 2025, make sure to comment the word boost so I know to make it next. Fam, the system is changing fast, but you don't have to be a victim. So here's your survival plan. Get your full credit reports now. Start monitoring for algorithm score dips. Challenge every single negative item with proof. All you have to do is take your actual credit reports, highlight it, and there's your proof. And keep your financial footprint active and clean. Because when the banks play dirty, we have to play smarter. This is how the rich stay rich. They understand the game, not just the rules. Now, if this opened your eyes, smash that like button and subscribe, because in a few days, I'm exposing a new loophole that lets you delete any negative item without paying a credit repair company a dime. And make sure to share this video with someone who needs to see it before their score tanks. And remember, fam, your credit is your leverage. Protect it like your life depends on it, because in 2025, it just might. Stay tuned, stay ready, and stay credit savage. Last part's the most important. Listen, I want to be very clear on something. Every time that I make these videos, I'm not trying to fearmonger or freak you out and make you panic. I'm trying to keep you aware and keep you alert as to these massive changes that are constantly happening. Because to be honest with you, I feel like we're in an unprecedented time where things are changing at a fast pace where we can barely keep up. Now, the CFPB is actively trying to be defunded right now as we speak. We went from 1,600 employees that handle all the consumer complaints across the United States all the way down to 200. And this current Trump administration is working very hard to completely defund them. So again, we're gonna work very hard to keep you up to date on all these massive changes. It's not fear mongering, it's facts of all the things that are changing rapidly in the financial sector. And as the CFPB is actively being taken down, guess what? The banks are going to try to take advantage of every single situation. Every financial institution, every financial sector is out there preying on Americans. So again, I just want you to really be prepared. And we're truly gonna work hard to keep you up to date on all these massive changes that are changing at a rapid pace. So always make sure to stay tuned so you can always stay alert. And if you have any collections, charge-offs, or negative items that you need to delete from your credit reports, make sure to watch this video right here, because it's going to show you how AI will do all the work for you, mail your letters, give you your FICO scores, and it comes with a 110% money back guarantee. And if you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.